Welcome back to All About Food. If you're new here, hi, I'm Christie.
For this week video, we're going to cook Tinolang Manok. We need 1 whole chicken cut into portions, 100 grams chili leaves, 1 small green papaya sliced into quarters, 10 diagonally, 2 to 3 tablespoons of cooking oil, 46 cloves of garlic sliced, 30 to 60 grams of ginger peeled and sliced, 1 to 2 medium red onion quartered, 1/4 cup patis, 1 tablespoon distilled vinegar, 1 liter of water, half a teaspoon white pepper, and half a teaspoon salt. Turner, measuring spoon, pan, and a casserole. Pat dry your chicken, not in the video, marinate with patis and vinegar. Don't worry, I only use a small amount of vinegar. It will not affect the taste of your tinola. Massage your chicken with marinade. In a hot pan, add your cooking oil. Sauté garlic, onions, and ginger. To know more about this and other recipe, you may follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Add your chicken. Add some salt, white pepper, and patis or fish sauce. I put my seasoning gradually to control the saltiness of my tinola. Simmer it for 5 minutes, turning your chicken twice gently until your chicken becomes dry. Put it in boiling water with or without chicken cubes. Boil and simmer for 30 to 45 minutes or until your chicken is tender. Add your green papaya and cook it until tender. Add again some patis or fish sauce, salt, white pepper, according to your taste. Simmer for 5 to 10 minutes or until papaya is cooked. Add your chili leaves and cover. Let the steam of the soup cook your chili leaves. Our finished product, Tinolang Manok, Chicken Tinola, or Filipino chicken soup.
If you're looking for food delivery service here in Rizal, please visit Magnum Food Services. The link is in the description down below. Thank you very much to all my subscribers. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing to my channel if you're new here. Hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. Have a great day. Thank you for watching.